everyone. In this video, we will learn about what is pledging of shares or securities, what you can pledge, how to place a pledge request on FYERS, how to unpledge holdings on FYERS, and benefits of pledging. Pledging of shares. In simple terms, pledging involves obtaining additional margins for trading based on the holding value of shares, ETFs, or mutual funds in your Demat account. Technically, it is done by creating a lien on the securities you hold in your Demat account in favor of your broker. When you pledge, your holdings remain in your own Demat account. It is just that these shares are blocked until you unpledge them. Upon pledging holdings from your portfolio, you will get additional margin for trading based on the market value of the securities. However, a certain percentage will be deducted from the total pledged value. This is known as haircut. This is applied because it provides a margin of safety for investor as well as the broker and exchange. Let me explain with an example. Suppose you have Axis Bank share worth rupees 1 lakh and you pledge them. You will get up to a certain percentage the entire value as a collateral margin. The haircut percentage are determined by the exchange and based on the underlying volatility and risk in the stocks. You can check the haircut percentage for stocks, ETFs and mutual funds on our platform. If Axis Bank haircut is 19.98%, then on rupees 1 lakh it is rupees 19,980. So, the broker will keep this amount as a safety margin and the remaining 80%, which is rupees 80,020, will be given to you as a margin. On FYERS, you can check out the applicable haircut for approved securities and mutual funds by clicking on the below mentioned link. What can be pledged? Stocks, ETFs, sovereign gold bonds, and mutual funds included in NSE approved list of securities. How to place a pledge request on FYERS? Go to pledge.fyers.in and log in with your FYERS credential. If you have already logged in to FYERS Web, then you will automatically be logged in. The holdings are divided into two parts, that is, equity holdings and mutual fund holdings. Your holdings will reflect with a bifurcation. Click on the pledge button beside the symbol or script name you wish to pledge. Enter the desired quantity and click on submit. You will be redirected to the CDSL page for authorization of the pledge transaction. Enter the OTP which you will receive in your register mobile number or email ID and click on the verify. Once authorized, you will receive the confirmation of the request placed along with the reference ID as pictured below. After the authorization, the pledge request will show under the tab pending request until the confirmation from CDSL, which generally takes up to 10 minutes. Post confirmation from CDSL, the quantity pledge will reflect under pledged quantity and the pledge margin will be credited to your trading account on the next trading day. How to unpledge holdings in FYERS? To unpledge your holdings, you will need to place an unpledged request by writing to us at support@fyers.in along with the script details. Upon receiving the request, unpledge of the shares will be processed. Currently, this process is offline because of CDSL technological limitations and will most likely be done digitally in the future. If the request for unpledge of the holdings is received before 3 p.m. on working days, the holdings will be unpledged by the end of the day and will be available in your Demat for trading on the next working day. However, requests received after 3 p.m. will be processed on the next working day and will be available for trading the day after. Unpledged requests will be processed only to the extent of unutilized pledged margin. The unpledged request will be rejected if you have any open positions and the pledged margin is used for the same. You will need to infuse the required funds or square off such positions before placing the unpledged request. Benefits of pledging. Shares continue to reside in the client's Demat account unless sold. As long as clients have stocks in their Demat account, they have access to margins via pledge. The whole process of pledging is fully digital and seamless. The investors continue to be eligible for all corporate actions like dividends, bonus, etc., accruing on the pledged stocks as the stocks remain in their Demat account. We hope this was useful and it helps you understand how to pledge shares with FYERS. If you like our video, do not forget to click on the like button below. Also hit the subscribe button to subscribe our YouTube channel and bell icon to receive regular update from our site.